In this module, we are going to learn about different types of globalization. The convergence of cultural, political, and economic systems trigger globalization. It compels and stimulates increased communication, interaction, interconnectedness, and interdependence amongst countries. With the increased political, cultural, and economic flows, world has become more globalized. As we were talking about different waves of globalization, that how they were contributing in the governance system of any country and interplaying all those cultural, economic, and political forces and making an integrated system, and how it is making an impact on the individual life. It shows that how this flow of all the forces is making this globalized system more integrated. Technological advancement played a significant role in increasing the dependency of nations. I would say that it is more interdependence instead of dependency. Transportation and telecommunication systems have increased global interactions than ever before in the history. See, global interaction is increased. When there is an interaction, it means both parties are interdependent with each other. Money, goods, technology, and individuals flow across the borders. Internet and social media have accelerated the flow of information and cultures. Yes, as I earlier mentioned, that globalization is the name of compression of space and time. They are minimizing the space, they are minimizing the time frame because of its speed. Economic globalization. It encourages the idea of swift economic flows across the national boundaries, unification and cooperation of global financial markets, cross border trade, no barriers in the flow of international capital. Multinational corporations play a key role. European Union is one of the best examples of political and economic globalization. If you could see in this slide that how the international and the regional forces are interplaying to integrate different institutions, different systems to have a globalized world to work properly. Political globalization. Increased political integration among the countries. State has to share its power, authority, autonomy, and sovereignty with international organizations and cannot take any action that is not parallel to international law. Role and importance of nation state has been influenced. Emergence of new political culture with the rise of non-governmental parties. Globalization also affect government policies. Force of globalization is making a serious impact on human life who are living in this globalized village where people are interacting with each other. But multinational corporations are influencing the lifestyle of each and every individual. Technological sophistication is diminishing the privacy of the individual at one hand and increasing the privacy on the other. That is interesting. That a person is sitting on social media, he is at the same time having the interaction with the world and also sitting alone privately. Cultural globalization. Increased communication and facilities of transportation have transformed the world into a global village. When people from different regions of the world interact, then it leads to cultural convergence. Shared customs, habits, languages, and symbols, popular culture, flow of commodities and ideas, standardization of global cultural expressions. How you could find different cultures while sitting at your home in your TV lounge and watching music. Hollywood music is mixed up with the Lollywood or Bollywood music or otherwise. This is how they are converging with each other. All types of globalizations are interlinked that I earlier mentioned. and fiercely influence each other, obviously. Economic globalization is possible because government designed policies to facilitate flow of international capital. Hence, it comes under the umbrella of political globalization. Likewise, culture of any specific country is influenced due to import and exports. That falls under the category of economic globalization. Technological development is the unifying thread of political, economic, and cultural globalization. That how this phenomenon of globalization is interplaying with all the existing forces in a state and trying to converge them in a way that they could sustain economy in one way of the ideology of maybe capitalist or maybe otherwise. But in the 21st century, it is the capitalist economy that is monopolizing the market forces.